Hey guys, so I wanted to make a video about why I van life. Um, as of the end of August, I will be living 7 months now in my van, which is like a couple days away. So I wanted to kind of go over why I decided to live in a van and also how it's been going. So first thing, as some of you know, I had a house in Johnstown, Pennsylvania, and the last 2 years have been kind of rough as far as my depression. And so I had my niece and nephew living with me for a year, and as some of you know, that was like the hardest year of my life. Um, it was definitely a struggle. Then after they moved out, I kind of got into an even deeper funk and just really depressed. I ended up I was only working part-time, so I was getting behind on bills and just kind of, my life wasn't going anywhere. I couldn't keep up with the house, the bills, I couldn't travel, which is what I do. Like, that's what I love. So I ended up just, getting a van from my friend Jesse, who I met on Facebook. His YouTube channel is What Now Society. And on his channel you can see like everything he did to the van. If you saw it now, it's so like super messy. So, but I did that and kind of just left and have been traveling and trying to get my stuff back together. Within the 7 months, I've traveled to 29 states, and it's been a lot of fun. I've done some woofing, which is the worldwide opportunities on organic farms. So I've done some of that. I started my master's, which is online, so I still have some of my GI Bill left, so I am working on my master's, and I'm petting Roscoe, by the way, if that looks weird. What? You want to say hi? Oh, say hi, camera. But, so I started my master's in Master's of Education in Teaching English as a Second Language. Aw, say hi. I say hi. Oh, jealous pants is about to come. But, so I'm working on that online, and for the most part, it's been pretty good. I've got to see some of my friends that I haven't seen, some of them in 10 plus years, and that I was stationed in Alaska with, so I've seen them. I got to travel for 2 months with my best friend Lauren. She ended up staying in Wyoming to get a job and try to save up some money, because as you probably remember from a previous video, her camper broke down. So I'm up in the Northeast now, so traveling there, and then I'm going to spend winter in California. I was going to spend it in Las Vegas teaching English, but Sheena's mom has a house in California that she's getting ready to downsize so she can move, and so I'm going to help her do some updates and get rid of some of her stuff, and help her with her dogs. She just got a new dog, a younger one, so he's a little rambunctious, so I'm going to help her with him. But yeah, so it has definitely, I think the biggest challenge in the van has been the heat. My whole goal when I decided to move into a van was to chase the nice weather, and now I'm realizing how much I love like fall and winter, and I can't deal with the heat, first off. Second off, just with the dogs and stuff, like I'm limited as to what I can do to take them with me, but also to leaving them in the van with the air conditioner. So running, I have had the cops called on me twice. One for leaving my dogs in the van, and the first time was leaving the dogs in the van and for leaving it running with the air conditioner running. And so I understood one of the arguments, like that I had my van running for a while. I get that, but at the same time, like, I wanted it to make sure that that to make sure that it was cool for them. But yeah, so some guy in Colorado called the cops and the Humane Society on me, and they both said, you know, nothing happened of it. But yeah, so that's that. I mean, we've been having fun. The dogs love it. I mean, they get to go hiking and get to go on walks all the time, and I have more time for them, and we're not just laying around being all mopey all the time, which I don't think they minded either. They were in bed with me watching Netflix. So, but yeah, so I just wanted to give an update on how 7 months in, how van life is going. I'm still loving it. I'm still loving traveling and seeing all of the U.S. The U.S. is amazing. Just so much variety in each state of the weather, the climate, the sights, and everything. So, oh, he's trying to catch fly. No, we don't eat the flies. But Tatum, you want to say hi? You want to say hi, Tatum? Oh, you say hi? You're cute. You're so cute. You already said hi, Roscoe, with your stank breath. Ow! Where's Mies? Move! I can't see. Roscoe, move! This dog. Roscoe, can I get to Mies? Mies wants to. Let me get Mies. Never mind. Ow! Ow! That's it. Mies will have to say hi another time. I forgot where my camera was for a second. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Tater, tater. You're your mama. Who wants a mama? Ow. We're hosting go breath. We're hosting go breath. Ow. You're so vicious. Oh.